Hi, this is Daniel for GearBest, and today I bring you another OUKITEL smartphone. It's a rugged smartphone. Now, this is like what OUKITEL specializes in, not specifically in rugged smartphones, but just like these really tough, badass smartphones like this one and other with large batteries. So this is the WP5000, and as it says in the box here, IP68, that's the waterproof designation, so it's a waterproof smartphone, of course, because it's rugged. So a little unboxing here. There's the phone. Once you open it, it's wrapped in plastic as if it needed any more protection than it already has. So there you go, the first look at it. 5.7-inch display, the typical rugged look. I mean, it's like the armored look, like it's kind of like the kind of smartphone Batman would use, I guess. Like very sturdy, very bulky, very strong looking. Obviously, to survive anything, it's, you know, it's anti-shock, shock resistant, dirt resistant, water resistant. So this is the kind of smartphone you want to take if you're going on an adventure, doing outdoor sports, or if you're in a war zone or whatever. You know, this is the kind of smartphones you'll need with you. So anyway, still for the unboxing, the little platform here. Let's see what's next. We have 3 boxes. So inside this box, there's the power brick right here. There you go, white with the USB port in the bottom. Leave it there. Another box. Let's see what's inside as well. Cables. So what we have here, we have, let me see, wrapped in plastic. We have a 3.5mm adapter, type C to 3.5mm. So the smartphone does not have the 3.5mm jack port for your headphones, so you need to use this adapter, but it's included, so it's fine, no problem at all. USB type C cable to charge, obviously, and to transfer files from your phone to your computer and vice versa, and an OTG cable right here, USB out to type C as well. By the way, the battery, it's a 5200 milliamp battery. That's 5200 milliamps, so that's the battery will be charging with those cables. Anyway, still one box here. I don't know where it is. It's rather large, and it has some paperwork and some accessories. Let's see what we have here. So we have the metal pick for the dual SIM card slots right here. We have some paperwork. It's like the instruction manual and the warranty card, and that's pretty much it for the unboxing. Let me put this to the side and this other box here, and there you go. Also this, it was inside. It's a pick to open. So not only do you need to use the metal pick for the SIM card slots, you also need to use this one right here because it's extra protected. So I'm going to demonstrate. It's kind of like a leverage. You have to level it up from under it and open it. It's kind of fun actually to do it, and there you go. Then it opens and the SIM cards are inside. The SIM cards, or by the way, micro SD card as well, you can add to expand the memory. So let me close this back up, and there you go. Pretty cool stuff. So about the smartphone itself, as I mentioned, 5.7-inch HD display. Of course, right here looks really nice. It's running Android 7.1. It's like a custom-made version of the Android. I mean, it's personalized by the brand, by OUKITEL, but it's perfectly functional. Of course, inside a CPU, a MediaTek, it's the Helio P25. That's an Octa core, clocking at 2.5 GHz per core. Also, as mentioned, 6 GB of RAM and 64 gigs of storage that can be expanded with a micro SD card. Also, cameras in the back, very cool dual camera. That's 16 megapixel plus 5 megapixel, LED flashlight, fingerprint scanner right there. It looks like kind of a Transformers logo here. Pretty cool design to it. And in the front we have the selfie camera. That's an 8 megapixel camera right here. As I mentioned before, very big, very large battery, 5200 milliamps. So that's it for the OUKITEL WP5000. It's a rugged smartphone. It looks like this. You know, it's not a phone for everyone. It's something you will want to use if you're going outdoors, adventures, or anything like that, or if you work your daily job. It's kind of like dangerous and you might damage the things around you. So this one will resist everything. But for more information, check the links below. We have all the specs, all the details, and obviously the price, you know it's going to be a good price since it's from OUKITEL. So like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.